Hey everyone, this is the Cowboy Kitchen. Today we're going to do you my version of the hot wings. I'll show you how it's done. Um, there's lots of ways of doing it. And like the restaurants, all they do is deep fry and then they put the hot sauce on. And the meat is, um, it's not tender at all. And then you have to really work at it to get the meat off the bones. Well, my chicken wings are tender and it just melts right off the bone. So um, I'll show you how I do it, and maybe this will help you out. So what I did is I get a family pack of chicken wings. I already got a lot of them made up. Only got a few more to do. Sometimes I'll just take this wing here and tuck it under and then dip it in your hot sauce. But here lately I've been taking the wing off. The wife informed me to save these because she can make chicken broth out of them. Other than that, there's no meat on there. But I also use Frank's hot sauce, and then I'll melt a stick of butter in a saucepan and then put the Frank's hot sauce in there. I like mine mild. If you like yours a little bit hotter, you can always put cayenne pepper in, or even pepper flakes, or double dip the chicken, because I'm going to bake mine at 450 degrees and it takes about an hour and a half. So what you want to do is flip them every 20 minutes. So let me finish these here up. And you want to get a sharp knife. And then I always cut this a little bit, find your joint. There it is. And I got the family pack because they definitely won't stick around long. There it goes. That one was a little tough. There we go. Alright, just a couple more. These are really, really good. These here chicken wings are great for any gathering, for an appetizer or just a snack. The guy's card game once a month. Your Super Bowl party. This one's tough. Where's my joint? Jeez. There it is. There it is. Wow, that one's tough. Anyways, yeah, New Year's Eve party or anything. And people, if you bring this, people will say, who made the chicken wings and how did you do them? Those are really good. Okay, so now we got them all cut up. So I'll bring over my baking dish. I got my hot sauce already. So just dip them in there. I should use tongs, but I'll just use my hands. Yes, I did wash them. You can put several of them in there and just coat them. Again, if you like them a little bit more hotter, you can baste them when they're about half done in the oven. But I don't like them that hot. And you don't have to put no more seasonings on them because there's enough seasonings, or spices I should say, in the hot sauce. I guess some people will put garlic on them. I guess that'll be good too. But I will go ahead and finish this and stick it in the oven. And then we'll be back in about an hour and a half after they're done, and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, so I'm flipping them over. You can see what they look like now. So it's just starting to get a little brown on one side, but not the other. So that's why you want to flip them. And we'll flip them another time or two before they actually get done. But yes, they are looking good. We'll see you in a little bit. Hey everyone, we are back and the wings are done. I just took them out of the oven about 10 minutes ago and we'll see what they look like. There they are. Just put them on the platter, nice and golden brown on both sides. And let's try one of these. These are my favorite. Let's get these here, because like I said, they're so tender that they just come right off the bone. So, look at that. Oh, still steaming. It is really good. So try that. Hope it helps. Make some comments and see how they turn out for you. And watch for some more videos. And thanks for watching the Cowboy Kitchen. See you next time.